Hello everybody, welcome to Diana Space. Let's do it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect tea time snack or a snack to eat when you're hungry. Eat it whenever you want. This thing's gonna get you amazed. It's very crispy and you can see these brain-like textures on it. I'll be showing you in this video how to do that. And have you subscribed to my channel? If not, blast that subscribe button. And why miss the bell icon? Because you won't miss any update if you click that, okay? Let's get started. First of all, into a pan, put half cup of rice flour. I've not switched on the flame, okay? 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for its color, of course. Now give it a good mix. And after mixing it, you're gonna switch on the flame and then we're gonna dry roast it for 3 minutes. And after you do so, we're gonna switch off the flame and let it cool completely, and only after it does, add in salt and give it all a good mix. And after you do, you have to pour in 1.5 cup of water and mix it properly to get a lump-free batter. Okay, when I mean to mix it properly, you have to mix it properly because this thing is gonna get a lot of lumps. And after that, switch on the flame, put it on low and mix it properly. Don't take your hands off this thing. And when it starts thickening, add 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted, that's what I've used here. And gradually, when the water all evaporates, you're gonna get to a dough. Don't worry, you're anyway gonna get to the dough. And after you get to the dough, you have to switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Like you can touch it with your hand, that much only you can cool it down. And then put some oil on your hands and then take a small portion of the dough, make it into small bowls. You can make how much big, if you want to make a big, you can make big. And the secret to get that brain-like textures is don't roll it too smooth. Now heat up oil in a pan and then we're gonna fry all of them into it. You have to fry it on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's crispy. Don't put the flame on low or else your bowls will get very thirsty and they'll suck up all the oil, and if you put it on high, the inside would not fry properly. And just look at that brain-like textures. I said you right, if you don't roll it out smooth, you're gonna get that. And then on top of it, we're gonna put some salt, some chili powder and some chaat masala. Add how much ever you want and then mix it all together. Okay, I admit mixing with hands make it more simple, plus the masala is gonna get everywhere. There you go, your crispy brain balls is ready. Make it today itself and share us a picture on kaindiana@letsdoit@gmail.com or in our Instagram, which is kain_binoy. And let us know if you loved it in the comments. Thanks for watching and goodbye.